What's up, everybody? KG here, coming at you with the quick video. I have something very exciting to show you today. I have a demo ready for the Internet Money Wallet app. Now, a couple things to know going into this demo. This is not the complete app. This is just the pages that we have designed out so far. Number two, any language, wording, design you see in this demo, subject to change. And three, this is only going to be the dark mode version of the design. Let's jump right into it. This page that I have here is the page that a user will see when they download the app. Now, what's really cool about this is you have two options. You can be new to crypto or you can be experienced with crypto. And this is cool because a large part of our target audience is the new crypto user, onboarding them into crypto through PulseChain, which is very different experience than somebody who this may be your 5th, 6th, 10th, 20th wallet. So let's jump in and see what the new crypto user might see. They're going to see, in this character again is subject to change, but the point is to make it approachable, to make it inviting, right? To align with the user, resonate with them. Get them to understand the basics. And one very important thing, one of the first things they're going to read in crypto, not your keys, not your coins. Remember this. Very important. We not only do we want to onboard people, we want to educate them into the safety, into cryptocurrency best practices. We're going to give them another little synopsis of what a seed phrase is and why it's important. And a cool thing about our wallet, the Internet Money Wallet, is we generate 24 word seed phrases, not 12. So an additional layer of security there. We'll create the wallet. And again, this is a demo on some software, so it may be a little buggy. Congratulations, wallet successfully created. Get started. This means that their seed was just generated. Let's give it a minute. Okay, so now once you're in the app, you'll see your accounts. Now, if you only have one account, you're only going to see one account. But you can click here and you can create a new account or import account. If you had your private keys, you could bring over another wallet, an account from another wallet. Now, a couple cool things to note here. So first of all, we have a hide balance feature. And this is really important because when you're trying to show somebody your app, you want to onboard them and explain to them what they could be getting into in the crypto space. You don't want them to see how much money you have. So just a quick click, you can hide your balances and give them the full tour of the app. And if you navigate to this transactions page, this is a collective list of all of your transactions from all of your accounts. A account-specific transactions list will happen on the account level within the account. Down here, this bar, actually, we're going to add some more options to it. But for now, you see wallet, which brings you back to this page. Network, that's if you wanted to switch chains. And resources, will be providing education, all types of stuff that new users, experienced users can come to know, like, and appreciate. We can always stand to learn more, every single one of us. two things that you'll probably see added here is a button for support, because we will have 24/7 365 tech support. So this will give you the option to submit a ticket within the app or give recommendations on features that you would like to see. And then over, also down here, we aim to see a button so that if you're an IMD holder, different video, you'll be able to claim your rewards directly from within the app. Last thing to note here is you see this settings icon. It's not functioning yet, that's why you see it flash blue. But what you're going to see within this is page-specific settings. So unlike some applications where all settings exist under one settings tab, when you click the settings icon, it's going to give you options relevant to this page, which is an incredible design feature to keep things seamless and user-friendly. So, and I'll talk more about that in a moment. So let's say I click into one of my accounts. Okay, if I were to hit that settings icon, it's now going to have settings relevant to that specific account. Here are some things you might see inside the account page. We may see a portfolio tracker or an individual coin tracker. We're still working on that, but may see some kind of tracker here that you can track the value of your portfolio or assets. You can send, receive, or swap within the account. And then you'll see your assets here. And then this is importing a custom token. So you can add whatever token you want with whatever network you're connected to. So the only design flow we have built out at this point is the send. So we'll go ahead like we're going to send a transaction. And notice how we were in account 1. So the field that automatically populated was account 1. If you did it from account 2, 3, it would populate there. And you'll have the ability to nickname your accounts. So it'll have the account nickname there. You can paste the address you want to send to, or if you click the QR code button, it'll bring up the QR code scanner. So that way you can scan the person's device and get the address. Recent accounts you send to. Then if they have nicknames, their nicknames will be here. And then you can also transfer between accounts. And this is a cool sort of mimicking legacy finance feature where if you want to trade between account 1, 2, and 3 of your own accounts, you don't have to paste in your own address. You can just transfer between accounts. So that is the pages we have designed out so far. Again, you will see more as time comes. We plan to do more of these demo videos. But that is a quick overview of the first update, the first demo that we're able to provide. And actually, I just thought of one thing. Let me take you back. This is the last thing. Let's say you are an advanced crypto user and you want to skip the tutorial stuff. Or if you just want to create a second wallet or whatever, you've seen it, you've done it, you don't need to do it. Experience with crypto. Let's give it a moment. It's going to take you right into wallet creation. Get started, and you're in. So if you want to skip the tutorial type stuff, you'll have that option by clicking expert mode. All right, now that's officially the whole demo. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you everybody who supported us thus far. I hope you enjoyed watching the dark mode demo of the Internet Money Wallet. Until next time, peace.